Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. This is my Rail World 22. I'm going to go do a drive around time lapse and remove a bunch of biters. I have a tank, right? Yes, I do, right? Don't I have a tank? Do I not have a tank? I don't have a tank. Okay, I got to build a tank. I can build the tank, right? Yes, I'll build the tank. And I want... Oh, I need other stuff too. I'm going to have to make a armor that can have a roboport. Oh, I got a bunch of work to do. Okay, so tank. First things first, let's see. What do I need to make a tank? I need some advanced circuits and some engine units. Okay, here are a few advanced circuits. Engine units. Here are some engine units. And I can make a tank. And I want bigger armor. I need more advanced circuits. And I can make a bigger armor. I want a personal roboport. And I need steel, battery, gear, and more advanced circuits. Let's see, where's batteries? Batteries. Where are you, batteries? Here's batteries. Let's see, did I get my armor? Armor, you go there. And the armor I just took off can go in the trash. Okay, armor goes there. Okay, personal roboport, I can make that. I need a bunch of gears. I don't need to handcraft a bunch of gears. Let's see, where can I easily pick up gears without picking up a ton of other stuff? Oh, I'm boxing those. I'm boxing gears over here. Oh, here's some gears right here. I picked up a bunch of pipe, didn't I? Okay, I'm a personal roboport. I need some personal batteries. I need some portable solar panels. What am I missing? I'm missing steel. Personal solar panels. I don't have a lot of room for these in this small armor. Let's see, 5 maybe. Let's start with 5. Okay. Let's see, tank rounds. Okay, I have some tank rounds. I'm making those up there now. I picked up some tank rounds. Rocket fuel. Let me grab some rocket fuel. That is down here in the refinery. Grenades. Do I have grenades? I have grenades, yes. Defender capsules. Give me defender capsules. How goes the... Oh, that's pretty good. Uranium processing, rather. Let's see, rocket fuel over here. Yeah, this is the rocket fuel build here, and I have rocket fuel in there. Oh, lots and lots of rocket fuel. Okay, good. Got a bunch of junk here. Let's clear out the inventory a little bit. Don't need coal. I don't need any of these ores. What do I have? I have iron ore. I have copper ore. It's convenient to get rid of it now. Let's get rid of it. Okay, and where do I want to start this clearing? Down here. I'll do a time lapse. I'll just go around and clear out all of those that are nearby. Okay, I have roboport. Oh, roboport goes in the armor. Personal roboport goes in there. Solar panels go in there. Personal batteries go in there. Okay, that's probably enough personal batteries. I need, well, I'll put one more since I have it. I need more solar panels, so I'm making one more. Right? Yeah, one more can go there. Okay, let me make some more. I need more steel. Oh, I'm standing next to steel. Okay. Shells, bullets, solar panels, defender capsules, tank, rocket fuel, tank rounds. Oh, I need robots. I need construction robots. I have one. I need more than one. Okay, let's see. You don't happen to have any in you, do you? No. Go up here and see if I can find some construction robots. So with the personal roboport, I can be lazy and stay in the tank. Ooh, stop doing what you're doing there, robot. No, stop, 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 stop. I can be lazy, stay in the tank, and when I need repair, speaking of repair, I need more repair packs. I can be lazy, stay in the tank, turn on my personal roboport, and my robots will go out and repair my tank. There, that's 10 robots that I have. It doesn't take many to repair my tank. Okay. Give me more. Oh, I have repair packs. Okay. Do I have radar? I have radar. Okay, so I'm going to start, yeah, down here. I'm just going to go down this way and clear out a bunch of these bug bases. And it'll be a time lapse, so I'll do that time lapse. Let me get a bunch of stuff set up here first while I'm doing this. Okay, yeah, research is progressing. Okay, so I'll do a time lapse bug clearing. Where's my tank? Oh, I didn't get my tank yet. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Let's remove the car. Let's put the tank there. And I got rocket fuel, did I not? Yes, rocket fuel. Rocket fuel. Tank rounds. And bullets. And I have defender capsules. Yes. Okay, so here we go. Time lapse bug clearing. I think that was a pretty good biter clearing session. I ran out of defender capsules again. There's a couple more down there, bases down there that, these are the closest bases that remain. But you can see where the pollution cloud is. So there's a lot of time now before I have to worry about any more biters. I'll take those out down there. Maybe I'll do that off camera. You see how I did it. It's pretty simple with tank rounds, the big ones, and defender capsules. So let me go back to the base. In fact, there's a train right here I can ride. Take me back to the base, please. Oh, turn off bots. Stop building stuff. Yes, I know you want to build things. But stop building things. In fact, speaking of building things, give me some roboports. And, there's already a roboport in the blueprint. Let's get rid of that roboport and let's connect to roboports that are already over here. So this will connect here. Let's put this unload all station inside the robot network so they can start building all this rail. Like that. And then up here somewhere, I don't know how high up here will you go and still connect to the robot network. And is there any place to put you? Oh, I don't see any convenient place. How about over here somewhere? Yeah, this will work. How high up here will you go? Right in here somewhere? Okay, that's fine. And some power for you. And does that cover all of the... turn off pollution. Does that cover everything? Yeah, all the unload all station is now going to be built. That is good. In fact, you are not under build area either. Let me blueprint in some more roboport coverage. Roboport column. Let me have a copy of this. Let's put this down here in my toolbar. And let's go up through here. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go here. Like that. Let's get all this stuff built. Oh, that's probably going to zap my power though, isn't it? Speaking of power, before I do all that, I need to put my blueprint down here again. Because I think the research completed while I was driving around. Yes, it did. So before I go crazy building a bunch of stuff, let's get those recipes in here. Start building all the nuclear power stuff. That's probably what I should do. I probably... Ew. Was that... I don't think that was ready before I started my drive around, was it? If it was, I should have done that first. I didn't notice. Don't even know. Anyway, it will get built. Now, it doesn't take too long. So before I go crazy with roboports, I need to get my nuclear power going. And I was thinking about that the other day. I said I was going to use logistic bots to deliver fuel. I don't have that research done. To use the logistic bots in the way I was thinking, I need to unlock the logistic chests. Is that what it's called? Logistic system. I need to unlock the logistic system. And that gives access to the green chest and the blue chest that can request items like fuel for the reactor. I don't have that right now. So for right now, I'm going to go over here and run a belt up there to the reactors. The one there is fuel and the reactor is built. Or not the reactor, the power plant. I keep calling it the reactor. When the nuclear power plant is finished, I can I can have fuel up there. Let's see. Yeah, that's a bit of a long belt, isn't it? Well, I've done worse. Because I know in order to get the logistics system, I have to have yellow signs. I haven't even built that yet. So give me a bunch of belt, and I'll just run a belt up there for fuel. Can't think of a better way to do it. Well, yeah, there's kind of a way you can do it with the chests that I have. I have the logistic chests right now. I have the red one, the passive provider chest, and I have the yellow one, the storage chest. There's kind of a clever way you can use those. You can put a storage chest up there on the power plant, put some fuel cells in a passive provider chest. Is that the way it works? Then tell the bots to delete this, and they can take them up. I don't know. I don't do that. I just waited till I have the regular chests. Let me have. I've got quite a bit of belt. Let me see if this is enough belt. And fuel comes out here. You have fuel in you? Yes. So if I'm going to belt fuel, how long? See, that's not horrible. Yeah, that's not horrible to belt it over that far, is it? And it has to go up here. Oops, that's the wrong way. It has to go like that. And has to go down here to where I am, basically. And then over here. Ah, there it is, I see it. Oops, come on. Like that. And that'll put fuel up there. And that will go into the power plant like that. And you need to be in the logistic build area. Like this. So I need RoboPort coverage up through here. Like this. You need to be connected with the main logistic network. Any old place will do. Let's connect you here, like this. Like that, and that will connect you. And there's some redundant power, like that. Okay? Do I have any RoboPorts? I've got a couple. And you are fuel. And you can say override stack size 1. an electric pole over there. There we go. That will deliver fuel. Oh, look, there's a reactor. Wow, it almost looks like a power plant. I don't happen to have any fuel, do I? Did I pick up any fuel? No, I'm sorry, reactor. If I'd picked up some fuel, I could have given you some. Where is the fuel anyway? Let's see. I've already got that in connected to water. Yeah, that almost looks like a nuclear power plant. There must be some fuel somewhere. Ah, there's some fuel. There you go. All right. So I have water on this end. Did I put water on that end? I did. All right, you have water in you? Yes, you do. And you are connected to the power grid? Yes. Okay, let me go down here to the nuclear store and see if I can do anything to boost production of that stuff. It's probably red circuits, advanced circuits. You can have this, you can have this, you can have this. You need 500 advanced circuits, yeah. There probably are not any advanced circuits. Oh, there are some lying around. I started to say, here's some right here doing nothing. Well, there's quite a few here. More than I thought. Yeah, almost enough for another reactor, and we need a little bit more steel. How much steel do we need? 500 steel. Now, steel there might be lying around somewhere. Oh yeah, here's some steel right here. And there's steel here. And making another reactor. What else do I need over there? What else are you missing? You're missing some turbines and some heat exchangers. Let's see. What do you're missing steel also. How much do you need? Not much. Okay, you don't need much steel. Where does your steel even come from? If I take you away, no, not that one. Yeah, that one too. I don't need any more reactors right now. What I want is I want the material to go down here. So steel comes this way, and I want the steel to go down here and make this stuff. Yep. You require how many steel? 10, and you require how many? You require 10, and what am I missing the most? I am missing both. Yeah, both pretty much equally. And did I have any more steel on me? Now let's see if I can find some more steel lying around somewhere. Oh, and I could try to boost steel, couldn't I? It might be a better plan. I don't even remember what steel looks like. I do have 2 rows of stone furnaces, but looks like iron ore is weak. Ooh, yeah, that's not just a steel issue, is it? That is an everything in the factory issue. Okay. Oh, I've got iron ore right there. But I don't have the power to do anything with it, do I? Yeah, I'm kind of browning out. Do I have any mining drills? No. How about... Oh, my time. I did another time lapse. It always messes up my time calculation. I think I've got a little time. What I want to do is I want to go over here to this iron mine and set up a train load station, an iron mine, and load the train and bring in iron ore by train right there, because I'm really weak on iron ore. Let me grab some mining drills. I'll try to hurry. And I apologize if I go over my normal time, but I do want to set this up. So there's that. I need some belt. I need some fast inserters. There's belt. I need some power. I did get... Oh, let's see. Does it already have... Already has rail pretty close. How much rail do I have? Better get a little bit more rail. I don't have much. I need cargo wagons. I can carry a little bit, right? Yep. And I have stations, signals, cargo wagons. Okay, locomotive. Yes. Yeah, that's really weak. Oh, I don't remember if I told you or not. I changed the unload all station, the rail yard blueprint slightly. I made the stacker larger. You don't have power. Why don't you have power? Let's see. I don't think I've got it in here yet. Let me grab the blueprint and show you. Yeah, I don't. So rail and wall, unload. Let's see. Is this left or right? This is unload all right, I believe. Rail and wall, unload all right. And if I can get it so you can see the stacker and get it to line up here. Let's see. I gotta go down here so you can see it. Where do you line up? There. So there's the old one. You can see where the bottom of the stacker was. It wasn't very big. You can see the new one here. It's basically double. The stacker is double in size. So I'll hold down Shift and click, and now it's gonna go all the way down to there. Let's put a RoboPort down here so the bots can build this. Like that. And I'll put another RoboPort over here somewhere. Where do you connect? You connect to there. You connect to there. You don't connect there. Okay, that's good. Like that. All right, that'll provide a bigger stacker. Let's see, I need a train for iron ore. Is that you? That is you. So I have the train in there already. You, I don't have stack inserters, so you can be fast inserters. Like that. And do I have power over here? Yeah, there's power here, right? Yes. I do not have RoboPort coverage. Give me my RoboPort. Let's go down the center of the rail. Oh, no, okay, I can't go down the center of the rail. It doesn't connect. Okay, I'm going to bring RoboPorts over this way. I better not, though. I better wait till I get more power. Okay. I'll just do this manually. I'm sure power's already weak. Yeah. Yeah, I better be careful. Using all this power that I don't have. So, give me a load where I can load iron ore. Load one side. And you can go here, kind of lined up with that. Like that. Okay, and let's go this way. Like that. And where's the closest power? I can run power down the center here. I think that's what I was planning anyway, so you can go like this. Yeah, there is power, right? You have power? Yes. Okay. And you need belt. And power. I have enough fast inserters to put them everywhere. I don't know that I need. I'm not sure that fast inserters are necessary. I ran out. With yellow belt, I don't know that the yellow belt can supply that much, but I've got them on me, or I've got a few of them. I'll put them here. Okay, this way, please. Okay, give me some radar. Oh, I have radar over here somewhere. Somewhere. Oh, it's down there. Let's put another one up here. I don't know that this is all under radar coverage, but now it will be. And let's see if my bots will do something for me. Yeah, you will. Very good, bots. Thank you. I don't have any steel chests, and I can't make any. You are iron ore load. Train limit of 1. Iron ore load. Train limit of 1. Give me the iron ore color. Okay, train. Iron ore train. You are iron ore unload. You can't get there. Are you named differently? Iron ore. Ah, there's a space in there. I think I had spaces between this little icon and the text, and I took the spaces out. Apparently I missed that one. Yeah, now I can get there. So go to load, please. I should come down here. Oh, I don't have any chests. I need steel to make chests. I thought I picked up a couple steel chests. Oh, my bots put them down, didn't they? Yeah, stop doing things for me, bots. If I wanted you to do things, I would... Hey, I just... What? Stop! 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 I need some steel chests to put down there, because the programming, it says load until full, and if there weren't any chests if there weren't chests on at least all the cars, it would never load until full. So it would never move. So take me back to the base, please. I'll grab some more steel chests, come back down here, and put more steel chests. I'm going to make sure it goes up there and unloads correctly. it as unloading. And the iron ore needs to be belted over. So this needs to go somewhere. You are pointing the wrong way. Don't know why. Is the print wrong? Let's see. Rail and wall, unload. All right. Are you incorrect? Print. I can't see. It's too small. Unload all right. Which one was that? You are incorrect in the print. Okay, I gotta remember to fix that. That blueprint has that underground reversed. The bottom iron underground there is reversed in that blueprint. I guess I can make my own steel chest. I don't need to walk all the way over to where they're made. Give me some steel. Okay, personal train. Take me to here. Just control click. Just click on the, get in the train, click on the train. And in that little map, you just control click on the rail. And it'll put a temporary train stop. At that point now, it's a temporary stop. If you want it to wait on you, put it on manual. So I've got some steel chests now, right? There we go. Like that. Like that. Okay, you're loading. You have steel chests. You have inserters. That is mining drills, and you are in fact loading correctly. Yes, so let me go back. Take me back to the passenger station, please. Okay, get rid of the temporary one. Take me back to the passenger station. And you need to go up there. What's the best way to get you over there? Not a lot of room up there. Through here? Not a lot of room here either. What did I break by removing that? Nothing, it looks like. Okay, I can bring those belts of iron ore into here. And then I'll need to put a different balancer so I can distribute the iron ore everywhere. But I have no idea how much time I've used. It may be way over time. I'll stand here and I'll do that next time. I'll know what to do. So I apologize if I'm over time. I really don't know. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I would appreciate it very much. Take care. Have fun playing. See you next time. Bye-bye.